Hi, hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is friction. Friction is a force which always acts opposite direction to the motion of the body. Friction advantages are there and disadvantages are there. So, first discussing about the part 1 video in which friction basic student. Okay, so if we slide or try to slide a body over the surface of another body, the motion of the body is resisted by bonding between the body and the surface is called friction student. Next, the points about the friction. Friction is a force is parallel to the contact surface student. It is parallel to the contact surface. Frictional force are produces due to the intermolecular interaction between the molecules and the bodies in contact. Friction is opposite direction of intended or relative motion student. Frictional force is a self-adjusting force and frictional force is directly proportional to the normal reaction student given. See, this is the body or a block of mass m and downward direction weight acting and perpendicular to the surface normal reaction is acting student. Applied force and frictional force both are in opposite direction student. N is taken as normal reaction, clearly written. Mg is the weight of the body, F is the applied force, small f is the frictional force. And next I am going to discuss about the frictional force is directly proportional to the normal reaction and frictional force is equal to mu into n student, where mu is the coefficient of friction student, coefficient of friction. And next step, but n is equal to mg student, then I can write here f is equal to mu into mg. This is the first equation student, and also the value we can write coefficient of friction mu is equal to f divided by mg or f divided by n also we can write student. Okay, and here also rolling body considering. Okay, m is the mass of the body, weight acting downward direction, normal reaction is perpendicular to the surface, and F is the applied force, opposite directional frictional force is acting student. Friction classified into three types. One is the static friction, a body at rest on the surface of the another body is taken as static friction. Next, a body is sliding over the surface of the another body is taken as kinetic friction or sliding friction or dynamic friction student. A body roll on the surface of the another body is taken as rolling friction. And part 2 video we will discuss clearly about the static friction, and maximum static friction is called limiting friction student. And part 3 video is we will discuss kinetic friction and rolling friction student. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you student, and comment also.